In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change business account to individual in Google AdSense. In order to do that, you first need to head over and then type in here adsense.google.com, and then from in there just input right here your actual email. So if you have a gmail.com on your AdSense, that already means that you have an individual account instead of business one. So if you have a different option or a different domain aside from gmail.com, that typically means that you have a business account on your AdSense. So here is my AdSense right here. So you can head over right here to your account, head over to your settings, then click onto this account information. You can see in here your account information altogether. So on my case, I already have a gmail.com. That means I already have a personal or individual account. But if you have otherwise, you can scroll down and click on the this close account. Once you have successfully closed your account, you can head over and click onto this personal icon right here again. Click onto this add an account option. Then you will be prompted to sign in. Just input right here your new email. So your email should have gmail.com instead of other domains. So from in there, you can head over and click on next, and you should be able to access from there your AdSense. We are actually doing this because there's no direct option to change an AdSense account from a business to an individual type. So what we can do is we can just close your account altogether and open a new one using this way. So in here, you just need to use a different Google account with a different email address in order to create a new one. So that's how you change business account to individual in Google AdSense. I hope this video helped you out.